What's up, YouTube? And today we back with another reaction video. And right now we about to react to Surviving in the Rainforest. Post notifications. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I got everything you want to react to and what you want to watch in my playlist. Go to the playlist, scroll. It's all in there. Just go watch it. But yeah, right now we reacted to Surviving in the Rainforest. Hey. Oh, the little kid talking about, what's that? What they made, gumbo? Hey, they eating good. They eating better than me. They got gumbo out there. They eating good. Oh yeah, I can tell. They eating good, boy. Why he? Hey, they eat good. He was just smashing. I ain't never saw this a day in my life. They done cut his pants up and some more stuff. Ain't no way. Y'all think this real? Ain't no way. He got on school pants. And that fish wasn't even alive. It was halfway dead.
And I bumped into one of my brother's friend's mom.
He caught a halfway dead fish. That's crazy. The boy proceeds to go crazy though. Let's see him cook this mom. Hey, nah, he threw it against the rock though. Hey, why he so aggressive? Dang, it's already dead. You overkilling now. Look at his brother. Hey, boy said, hey, he ready. They funny for real. Yo, what's going on? Why they moving like that? He gonna take the fish. Hey. He should have took him. Now how he make that fire? Katie, he's chefing up. He about to get the seasonings and all that for real, for real. He about to chef up. Stop playing with that boy. He really do this. Oh yeah. Mushing up the peppers. Red peppers. Okay then. got water in there? Man, that cooked fast. What's that, lemon? Look at the eye. Oh my God. Look at him. I don't really eat fish like that. If I do, I like them already cut and all that. That's a sauce or whatever. Why he ain't throwing that on top of him? Yeah, don't burn it, bro. Definitely gonna burn it. Wait a minute, I only seen him flip over one, but it's cool though. What the other little dude? He should have been took it. He should have been took that food and got up through. The kid fell asleep. Right to it. Get to it. You smell it. Look at him behind him. Oh, he about to go hard. Oh, he about to go hard. He go grab the other one right behind you though. Hey! Hey, look at them though. They going hard. They going hard. He don't even realize the other one gone. That's how hungry he is. And he got the celery. Oh yeah, devour that mug. All you hear is smacking. Hey. This crazy, bro. Nah, they going hard. Hey. Hey. This how I used to be at lunch. Hey, in high school, this how I used to be at lunch. I used to be going hard. Hey. Get what y'all was talking about. I was an athlete. I had to eat. Ain't no choice. Where the bev at, man? Oh my God. That fish ain't stand a chance, boy. He don't even realize the other one's on. Hey, nah, they wow. I gotta react to some more though. They wow, and I ain't gonna lie, I like it though. That's it for this video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe for more. It's your boy FlashyFlvke, and this is survival in the forest. If y'all think y'all can survive in the forest like this, you know what I'm saying, eating fish, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's it for this video. We out. Peace. Don't forget to turn on post notifications.